The mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, is calling for local authorities to be given responsibility for solid waste collection. Mayor Swaby criticized the approach taken by the National Solid Waste Management Authority, claiming it is not working. Kimberly Petty reports.
The current approach to waste management is not working.
That criticism from Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, as he addressed members of the Municipal Corporation at a recently held meeting. Mayor Swaby argues that as it stands, the NSWMA is failing citizens.
This situation is further compounded by the fact that the cost of garbage collection appears on the books of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. We bear the financial burden, but we have no authority over how the service is delivered.
He notes that the municipality is being unfairly blamed even though they have no control over the situation.
This is neither fair nor effective. If the responsibility already rests with us, then we should have the authority to manage the service and contract private operators using established procurement guidelines. And the public is experiencing the consequences every day. Residents wake up to overflowing bins, garbage bags torn open by animals, and the stench of waste lingering on the streets.
That, he says, poses a serious public health risk, and so he made this proposal.
I believe the time has come to fundamentally change what waste management is managed in this country. How waste management is managed in this country.
And what he wants is for
the National Solid Waste Management Authority should return to the proper role as regulator, while the responsibility for the day-to-day garbage collection is decentralized and placed with the local authority. Local authority would then be empowered to contract private operators to deliver the service efficiently and reliably.
He further noted that the cost of garbage appears on the books of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, and so he believes the municipality should have some control. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.